I must be bonkers because this is the 5th time this season. Today's hike has no snow, nothing remaining, no ice, nothing. So I wonder what the waterfall will be like. Probably it has ice still, I think. Today I went a bit further up on the side path, up further than I have been. Normally just go just down to there, but it's pretty nice up here, so you know, there's a bit of icicles up here, so I'm going to head down now and up to the main bit. So even 2 weeks after I came here, it's still very icy. Wow. So you might get another week out of it if you're lucky. 3 or 4 degrees. どこ行く? No. 20 meters to go. I love that sign. 20 meters, my ass. I think it's a bit more than 20. And again, it's lunch time. And again, same sandwiches.
bought some soup.
This time we got up in about 1 hour, 5-10 minutes. Almost same time as normal. So that's enough for today. Not going to go right to the top